I believe it's really important to recognise the contributions and the presence of the diverse communities here in Wales.
We're really pleased to have the opportunity to work here and offer this as a chance for people with learning disabilities, mental health issues and physical disabilities to come and work in the garden.
We've developed a fairly unique partnership with Amgueddfa'r Flwyddyn. We support clients from a range of backgrounds, often presenting with a range of barriers. We pick them up, we bring them up here and they get a day to engage in the wonderful Sain Ffagan's.
Ni'n falch iawn, ydyn?
Mae yna'n rhedeg sy'n ei chi cael bod yn rhan o'r prosiect a fod gwaith mynd i fod yna ar gyfer...
Mae'n fraint, yndi.
Yn pendant.
My wife and my kids have been here, and to be able to say I built this,
kids.
Yeah, their grandchildren will be able to see this and say,
They'll be here a lot longer than we're going to be here.
yeah,
So.
fantastic.
Huge amounts of success stories of working with Amgueddfa'r Flwyddyn, really, from the Who Decides to creative writing project that we're now continuing with in the main museum to the garden project here.
It's going to open up a world of opportunities for everybody.
Every story does matter and everyone has a contribution towards the history and the culture of Wales.
This allowed me to have the career of my dreams, really. It's one opportunity. Why wouldn't you want to work here? The buildings, the variety of work, it's fantastic. The team.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to do this voluntary work, and it gives me great pleasure to work here as a team.